Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to perform a basic website SEO audit using Screaming Frog. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to crawl a website, identify SEO issues, and export your audit results. Let's get started. First, open Screaming Frog. If you don't have it installed yet, you'll find the download link in the description below. Once it's open, enter your website URL into the search field and click Start. Screaming Frog will begin crawling your website. Depending on the size of your site, this may take a few minutes, so just wait until the crawl reaches 100%. While we're waiting, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more SEO tutorials. I'm using the free version of Screaming Frog, which has a crawl limit of 500 URLs. For this example website, that's more than enough because it's a relatively small site. Once the crawl is complete, you'll see valuable SEO data, including URLs, page titles, meta descriptions, H1 tags, H2 tags, status codes, images, internal links, and much more. To review the site's SEO issues, open the Issues tab on the right side of the screen. Start by focusing on the high-priority issues since these usually have the biggest impact on your website's SEO performance. When you click on any issue, Screaming Frog displays the affected pages on the left, making it easy to identify exactly where the problem exists. If you want to save your audit, simply click Export. Choose a location on your computer and give the file a name. After exporting the report, begin your analysis. Two columns are especially helpful: Description, which explains the issue, and How to Fix, which provides recommendations for resolving it. And that's the basic process of performing a website audit with Screaming Frog. It's one of the most powerful SEO tools for identifying technical issues and improving your website's overall performance. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel for more SEO tips and practical walkthroughs. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.